It's the Refined Reseller. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. Well, eBay is making another change. This time they are changing the way sellers deal with buyers who do not pay for items they have purchased. I tell you all about the change coming up in this video. One of the most frustrating things as an eBay seller is to sell an item, either buy it now or on auction, and the buyer does not pay for it. eBay has made a change so sellers can cancel an unpaid order without delay. Details coming up, but first, please take the time to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. As I mentioned earlier, it is so frustrating when a buyer purchases an item and does not pay for it. In the past, sellers had to open an unpaid item case, and in some instances, it took quite a while for eBay to finalize or close the case. The change that eBay is making is that a seller will no longer have to file an unpaid item claim or send payment reminders. Instead, when buyers haven't paid, sellers will be able to manually or automatically cancel orders through Seller Hub or My eBay Sold Items. Buyers will have 4 calendar days to pay for an item after they've committed to buy it. eBay will proactively remind the buyer to pay. If the buyer hasn't paid within that time frame, on the 5th day, sellers can cancel the unpaid order, be refunded the final value fees, and relist the item and get on with running their eBay business. eBay is currently rolling this out. You may or may not have it at this time, but eBay promises that all sellers will have it by the end of the month, and we are in the month of May. If it's available to you, you will see buyer hasn't paid as an option when canceling an order in eBay Seller Hub or My eBay Sold. If you're an eBay buyer and you are watching this and you buy a lot of items on eBay, do me a favor. When you buy an item, please pay for it. It really is the right thing to do. Now, in the past, buyers could get away with not paying for an item, but it looks like eBay is making some changes to that as well. eBay says if there are buyers who habitually do not pay for items, they will be suspended from buying items on eBay. So there you have it. eBay sellers now able to close an unpaid item case with less effort and less time as well. I really hope you learned something from watching this video. If you did, please take the time to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. This is the Refined Reseller saying, as always, do like me, buy low, sell high. Good sourcing, good selling, and I'll see you next time.